Hey guys, Stephen Phillips here, back in the garage. Today we have Scott from Putco. How you doing, Scott?
Good, thank you for having us.
Thanks for coming in.
Thank you.
So today we're looking at the metal LED 360s, and we've upgraded our reverse lights and our license plate lights. Can you tell us more about the advantages of moving up or upgrading to these lights over our stock factory lights?
Well, what you're getting with the Metal 360 is you're getting up to 500 lumens on the kit, so you get a more brighter, crisp light than what your halogen bulbs are. The other thing is when you're upgrading into a Metal 360, it has all these great features that most bulbs don't have today. One, it's got, for an installation side, it's got digital polarity so that they can be inserted in any direction.
It's foolproof.
There we go. There you go. And the other things they have is they're EMC protected from radio interference. They have surge protection up to 32 volts. So those are all great features in this product line that that you don't find in other small base bulbs. And as well, we do offer the load resistor kits that are recommended when you're doing LED tail lights changes.
Now, speaking of load resistors, I will say that did play a part in our installation difficulty. I'm going to give this a 2 of 10. If it wasn't for that part, this really would be a 1. It's super simple to do, but that little bit of wiring required made this a 2. So just be aware of that. But really, the entire process of our backup lights and our license plate lights made this maybe 30 minutes. So you can do this by yourself really in less than one afternoon. All right, guys, so that's a wrap on the metal LED 360s. Thanks again for coming out today, Scott. It's been a pleasure. Yes, sir. Now, guys at home, if you want any more details about this kit, check the description below the video. We'll have it all listed for you there, from a part number all the way to a dealer locator, so you can find these at a dealer near you. Now, if you like the video, please leave us a like. If you love the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.